Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to fix bank account link problems in PayPal. Have you ever encountered the frustration of trying to link your bank account to your PayPal only to hit a roadblock? It's a common issue that many users face, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate and solve this problem efficiently. Today, we're going to walk you through detailed steps to get your bank account linked to PayPal without any hitches, ensuring a seamless experience. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to PayPal's official site by typing in the URL, paypal.com. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. At this point, you'll need to enter your PayPal account credentials. Begin with the email address associated with your account. It's crucial to ensure that you're using the correct email to avoid any login issues. Then move on to entering your password. Double-check both the email and password entries to make sure they're correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click on the Login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your PayPal dashboard. Here, you should direct your attention to the Pay and Get Paid section. This section is where you can manage your payment methods and transactions. Click on it, and then look for the Banks and Cards option. Click on this as well. If you're experiencing trouble linking a bank account, the root of the problem might be in a few different areas. Let's explore these possibilities. Firstly, the issue could be with the bank itself. Sometimes banks have temporary technical glitches or specific requirements for linking accounts to external services like PayPal. It's worth checking directly with your bank if they have any known issues or special conditions. Alternatively, the problem might stem from your PayPal account settings or the details you've provided. It's essential to ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. A small typo or outdated information can prevent the linking process from completing successfully. To tackle these potential issues, click on the Help option within your PayPal account dashboard. This resource is incredibly valuable and contains various support topics. For more focused assistance, click on My Wallet and then select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll find an option titled, Why Can't I Link a Bank Account to My PayPal Account? Clicking on this option will provide a detailed breakdown of common causes for this problem and offer some practical resolutions. Take your time to go through these suggestions as they are specifically designed to address typical linking issues. Pay attention to detail when reviewing these common causes and solutions. Each step is crafted to help you correct potential errors or recognize systemic issues that might be at play. Once you've thoroughly reviewed all the recommended solutions, attempt to link your bank account again to see if the problem is resolved. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to fix any issues with linking a bank account to your PayPal account. However, if you continue to encounter problems, it might be time to reach out to PayPal support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to fix bank account link problems in PayPal, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.